Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising psychology, important topics, and our topic number 41 is ego. We can define the ego is the part of Freudian psychic apparatus that experiences and reacts to outside world and thus mediates between the primitive drives of id and demands of superego, which represent moral and ethical values. What are the characteristics of ego we have? Ego is the part of human personality which experiences as self, or when we talk about I, it represents that part and is in contact with external world through perception. The development of ego. The infantile ego develops in relation to the external world. As the individual continues to develop, the ego is further keeps changing throughout life. Predominantly under conditions of threat, illness, and significant changes occur in life circumstances. The function of ego. These include executive functions of the personality, and they serve as it is the integrator of outer and inner world. The integrator of id and superego gives continuity and consistency to behavior. It anticipates, and imagination is the very big area where it works. Actions of the present and of future. Characteristics of strong ego include a strong ego exhibits the following characteristics. Self-knowledge means insight, capacity to organize activities over longer period of time span, ability to follow resolves while choosing decisively among alternatives, resist immediate environmental and social pressure while contemplating and choosing an appropriate course. It does not get overwhelmed by his or her drives, but instead can direct them a useful channel. Characteristics of weak ego includes they are characterized by traits as impulsive and immediate behavior, a sense of inferiority or inferiority complex, a fragile sense of identity, emotional instability, excessive vulnerability. Please note, ego weakness is also underlines the inflated sense of self, which can be associated with grandiosity and superiority complex. What happens when ego comes under stress? In the eventuality of constant stressor, the perception of reality and self can be distorted. In such cases, individual may be less capable of productive work because lot of energy is drained into the protection of unrealistic self-concepts, or the individual may be burdened by neurotic symptoms. Bibliography. We have taken help of following web addresses for producing this particular talk. Thank you very much for patient listening.